How to use tables in Google Docs. Google Docs tutorial. Hi guys, welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use Google Docs tables. So let's get into it. To insert a table into your Google Docs, you have to go to Insert option and then select Table. To select the table, what you have to do is just move your cursor around to select the columns and the rows. So I'm gonna go with 7 by 5. The table will be inserted to your Google document. A table allows us to add data in the form of rows and columns. So now you can see we have rows and columns added. This is my table. We can simply enter the data here. All you have to do is just select a cell and then type in whatever you want to add. We can also move around with our cursor or our downward or upward key. So I have entered this data here. Let's say I want to add another row or column to my table. For that, you will have to move your cursor. Let's go ahead and add a row above this row right here. Right click and it will allow me to insert a row above, insert a row below, insert a column to the left, or insert a column to the right. Let's add a row above and it will be added like this. We can also go ahead and delete a row. Right click and it will allow you to delete a row or delete a column. We can also move our margins by just moving our cursor around. You can see how it's moving my column. Similarly, we can change the alignment. You're gonna select all of these cells, move to alignment right here and select centered. Now I'm gonna go ahead and enter more data to fill in my table. So our data has been added. Now I'm gonna go ahead and move the alignments a little bit. Now let's go ahead and explore some more options that we get with our tables. I can again select all of the cells and change the alignment to center. Then we can customize our table as well. Select all of the cells and right click, go to table properties. Here I will be able to change the color. So I don't want the basic white and black, so I'm gonna change it. Let's select the background color and select blue. Then I'm gonna select the table border and it's going to be white. The table border is 1 point. By default, I'm gonna go ahead and select 2.25. And this is how my table looks now. I'm gonna go ahead and customize my first row so that it looks like a header. Select the row that you want to customize. And then I'm gonna go to the color and select a little darker color. We can also go to the alignment again and select middle. So the text is in the middle of the vertical alignment. And this is what my table looks like. You can also go ahead and create tables like this on Google Docs.